Hi guys, good afternoon from India. So today is a very bright and a sunny day out here. The temperatures is somewhere between 35 to 37 degrees. And so today I thought of trying my fragrance that is Versace Dylan Blue. This is the bottle. Uh, it's a EDT concentration. It's written made in Italy, as you can see. The presentation is quite good for the price range. I really like the Versace logo that is in the middle. Gives it a very premium feel to it. And the cap might look like a metal cap, but it's a plastic. Okay. And you have the Versace logo in the sprayer. Okay. And even at the neck, it's written Versace. So I had purchased this bottle 2 to 3 months back, and I have used approximately 10 ml of this juice. So at first, I did not like it much. I felt it as a very simple and generic fragrance. But eventually, as I gave it more wearings, I eventually fell in love with this. Now I'll tell you why. Um, First of all, what I feel is that for me, it is one of the best creations from the house of Versace. It's a safe blind buy. Okay, if you are looking for a perfume and you have no idea about it, you go to a mall and you see various Versace perfumes, and most importantly, if you're into buying a Versace one, you might smell the other products like the Eros, Pour Homme, or Eros Flame, and this too. You will find usually these 3 to 4 in every malls. I did not smell it. I just saw the reviews and I thought of giving it a try. So, spraying the atomizer, this one starts with a very strong note of citrus, which will stay for almost an hour. Then actually it changes into a very masculine shower gel kind of smell. It's like when you walk out of the shower, जब आप नहा के आए हो तो आपको फ्रेश स्मेल जो आती है नहाने का, the fresh shower gel which you use, you'll get that vibe from it. Okay, don't think that it's a cheap smelling fragrance. No, it's a very upmarket beautiful scent. The best part about it is after some time the incense starts kicking in. Incense मतलब अगरबत्ती जो होती है, जो आप पूजा करते हैं, वो आना शुरू होता है. एंड देन इट प्रोजेक्ट्स मोर बेटर एंड आपको खुद को स्मेल आएगी इसकी. ओके, इट स्मेल्स लाइक अ रिच मैन कोलोन. बट पहले पहले मेरे को इससे आपका एगी वाइब आया था. मे बी इट माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ द ओजोनिक नोट्स. आई गॉट एन eggy vibe. It's similar to Bulgari Aqua Atlantic, but I feel this is a much more sweeter than that. They both almost have the same DNA. If you have Bulgari Aqua Atlantic, you don't need to buy this, or if you have this, you don't need to buy that. I usually don't have that. I have the decant of it. इसका सैम्पल है मेरे पास. सैम्पल मैंने ट्राई किया. I get a lot of eggy vibe from that. उसमें बहुत नोट प्रोमिनेंट है eggy का. That's seaweed. But you won't get it here. Starting में मेरे को आया था, but slowly I guess my nose got used to it, and then I had not smelled any seaweed note from it. Performance is quite good in this. Okay, but now to be more specific, the opening which my nose detects is of a grapefruit. It also has some amount of ambroxan which increases the performance, and as it is a blue fragrance, you will get a bit of aquatic vibes out of it. Definitely consider this if you are looking for a blind buy. And the best part about this, I love about this scent, is that after 2 to 3 hours, the incense and the musk, they kick in, and then what you get is that the tonka bean present here. Tonka bean is the thing which gives sweetness to a fragrance, and then it gets a bit sweet, aquatic, which is very inoffensive even if you spray a good 7 to 8 sprays. Okay, so now my suggestion on when to wear this. You can definitely wear this when you're going to an office, you're going out on a date, you're going out to meet your friends. You can wear it anywhere you want. This won't offend anyone, and this is a very mass pleaser, very beautiful, awesome scent. You can definitely consider this. This comes in various sizes. It comes in 60 ml, it comes in a 100 ml bottle, it not 60, sorry, 50 ml, it comes in a 200 ml bottle. I had purchased a 100 ml bottle. At first I thought of buying a 200 ml bottle, but I did not buy 200 ml because I have a lot of beautiful fragrances in my collection. So buying a 200 ml won't do justify to me, because I won't be able to enjoy the fragrance much. 100 ml is a perfect size for me. If you're trying to build a collection, always try to go for 50 ml or 100 ml, but usually you'll get a good deal at 100 ml, so I bought the 100 ml. So now I'm gonna show you the sprayer of it, how it sprays. With that sweet grapefruit note and the slight aquatic, it's a very beautiful scent. I'm gonna definitely get a backup bottle of this, like most probably next year. I'm gonna buy the 200 ml bottle because I really love it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video, and do subscribe my channel because I'll be posting more perfume videos from my collection, or whichever perfume I buy I will definitely post it here. आप मेरे को सजेस्ट भी कर सकते हो कि किस परफ्यूम को मैं रिव्यू करूँ, किसका रिव्यू करूँ. इफ़ यू वांट, इट कैन बी any cheap Indian brand. I'll see if I can arrange them or if I have in my collection. Please like this video, please subscribe. It would motivate me to post daily and share my opinion, so that some of you might get some help in buying a perfume. Definitely that help will be appreciated. Thank you so much once again, and God bless you all.